Yeah. Last week for pasta week, guys. Who's Quang? If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Be a part of the notification. Okay. Let's start this up quick time, guys. Seafood manicotti. Let me show you how I make my seafood manicotti. Don't blink. Manicotti tomato sauce. So I got 2 tablespoons of olive oil going in. Pressing in 1 tablespoon of garlic. Half a cup of onions going in, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of celery. Got some peppers left over, so I'm just going to throw 1 cup of that in. Nothing to this, just sweat this out. Once you got your veggies nice and sweated out, I'm gonna go in with half a cup of wine. Then I'm gonna go in with 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. And I got 1 big heaping scoop of tomato paste. Balance that acidity in this, 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon for each can. A 1/4 teaspoon of basil and a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and I'm gonna let that sit on a medium heat for 1 hour. Next, I got some manicotti pasta shells here, which I'm just gonna boil. Boiling time, 8 minutes. I also forgot season my water with some salt. As we wait, guys, let's make our manicotti filling. So I do have leftover ricotta cheese right here. All I'm gonna do, guys, is add a little more ricotta cheese to this. Some pepper. So if you guys have not seen my ravioli episode, this recipe is in there. I know, guys, some of you guys be like, hey, you said seafood. Why didn't you fill it with seafood? Because I just want the seafood on the top, guys, and a cheese filling. I forgot to show you guys. All I'm gonna do, take a Ziploc bag or any kind of bag, and we're just gonna fill this ricotta cheese in. So this is gonna be my throwaway piping bag when I'm done with it. 8 minutes up, I'm gonna just dump out my pasta. I'm gonna run it under cold water, guys, because I wanna stop this cooking. 1 hour's in, guys. We're gonna take our handy dandy mixer, ow, ow, ow. Our handy dandy blender here, and we're just gonna pulverize this. Once you got that nice and blended, I'm gonna go in with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Once you got that nice and mixed, nothing to it, take your spoon, taste it. Since this is a seafood theme, I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Take a clean spoon, again, guys, we're gonna taste it again. All it is now, taste and adjust for your own liking. So I'm gonna do 1 more tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt. The reason why I'm using sugar is because my canned tomato was very tart, guys. I know a lot of you guys use very good high quality tomatoes, but I can't find that brand that you guys suggest me to get. Let's start filling our manicotti. So, baking sheet, I'm gonna just do some sauce on this pan here. Take my homemade piping bag. Oh, that's a bad scissor. That's a very bad scissor. Just gonna take a knife to it. Piping bag now in stores, guys. Just kidding. So we're gonna take our manicotti pasta. All we're gonna do is fill this up, guys. Oh, that was bad. You know what I should make one day? Cannoli. This just reminds me of cannoli. Once I got that nice and filled, onto our baking sheet. You know what I want to do one day? I want to cook for a Italian family here. If you guys are an Italian family living in Edmonton, shoot me a DM. I want to cook for you guys. I want to know what Italians think about my take on Italian food. So if you are Italian, living in Edmonton, shoot me a DM. You got that all filled. I'm going to take another ladle of sauce. I'm going to run it down the middle there. I got fresh mozzarella cheese here. I'm going to run that down the middle as well. Nothing to it. To the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the cheese melts, guys. 1 tablespoon of olive oil going into the pan. Olive oil heated. In goes our scallop. I'm gonna do some salt, some pepper. These will just cook for 30 seconds, guys, so keep an eye on them. 30 seconds up. Just gonna pull them out to the side, guys. Next, I'm gonna sear my shrimp. And I got some New Zealand mussels as well. Shout out to New Zealand for supplying Canada with some good mussels. Again, guys, pepper, salt. I'm gonna press in 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 minute in, guys. I'm gonna go in with my sauce. So I'm just gonna do 4 ladles of this. I want to spice this up a bit. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Turn down the heat to low. In goes my scallops. 5 minutes up. Whew. Just gonna pull this out, guys. Yup. Gonna ladle down some more sauce. What we're gonna do? Transfer it over. Transfer it over without breaking, guys. Push everybody over. Push everybody over. Turn this around just because there's more cheese looking goodness right here, which I want to place. Ow. Gotta let everybody know that this is a cheese-filled manicotti. Lastly, our seafood in the back. I'm gonna clean the sides. You know we gotta hit this up with some cheese dandruff. It's a must. Lastly, some fresh parsley. And we'll call it a day right there, guys. A big platter of seafood manicotti. When are you guys coming by? Get your handy dandy manicotti scooper. What are we gonna do? Scoop that on there. Let's go 2 for now. With some seafood on the side. You know this is gonna be good. Do you know what I forgot to make? Bread with this. Don't goof this so bad. It would have been really nice. Alright, piece of shrimp, piece of manicotti, quick time. Take the first bite of this. Yes, got it. Nice. Last day for pasta week. A palm. That's awesome. That's bombs, guys. Like I said earlier in my episode, if you guys are Italian, like full Italian, and eat Italian food every single day, shoot me a DM. I want to cook for you and your family. On me, guys. I want to show you guys how good I... Guys. You snooze, you lose, guys. That's love. That table's clean. Trust me. I actually want to know what real Italians would say about my take on Italian food. A little muscle, guys. Quick time. Yes, got it. Nice. A palm. There's scallops on there too. Oh yeah. That is love. I actually always thought this was a scallop. Look exactly like a scallop. Same size, same everything. Is that shrimp? No, it's not shrimp. That's what's up. I am happy that I did go with the cheese ricotta in the middle. Mm. Mm. I forgot what I was saying. It happens a lot of times, guys. Mm. So bomb. I had those black mussels. I'm not too sure where it's from. I think Prince Edward Island or within Canada here. It does not compare to New Zealand mussels. Mm. I love that burst of shrimp. Perfectly cooked shrimp. So bomb. This dish is perfect, guys. It's not too rich of anything. You know how some Italian dishes a lot of richness? This thing just plays out perfectly. Mm-hmm. Mm. One thing I regret though. I should have made some bread with this, or some garlic bread. It wouldn't have been perfect. Let me ask you guys this. What should I do another week of? Should I do another week of a certain item of food or culture? Or should I just go back to the normal schedule of making everything? Put it down below there, guys. Second bite of this or third bite. Quick time. Yes, go ahead. Nice. Palm. Mm. That's what's up. This is love on a fork. Mm. I just love shrimp. That's what's up. You guys gotta get on this. Mm. That's what's up. Alright, one more shrimp. Mm. Guys, what are you guys doing watching me eat? Go out and make yourself this recipe right now. I'm not even kidding. That's bombs. Food and life is such a beautiful thing, don't you think? Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up one of your bomb shirts. Like to share this. Peace out.